Did everybody walk through today's video? In today's video, my 2014 Jeep Wrangler JKU, we're going to be installing these high lift mounts on my hood hinges right there to accommodate for a high lift jack. And if you've never used a high lift jack before, they're not your friend. One wrong slip up and that handle can beat you to death. So I got this off Amazon. So let's see what we all get in the case. So that's how it shows it on the Amazon when I bought them. And these is what all comes in the kit. You got your knobs, little rubber pads, which is nice. These little concave washers, because these Torx are all tapered, so you'll remove them and you'll put these in there. And I got some anti-seize. The Jeep Torx are T50 and the kit needs a 5mm anti-seize, and I had these out recently, so they should come out all right. So I just recently had these out, and I'm just gonna bust them free by hand first, because we all know how Torxes are not our friend. I can just buzz this out and buzz that out, and we're good. Good to go. So I got my good old Power Fist Allen key here, and even it is gonna be very tight in there. This side not so bad, but definitely that one. Interesting enough, I can't even use these because they're too short then. Interesting. It must be made for different models, those concave pieces. They have to be, because clearly does not work for me. Remember, make sure you use anti-seize, because if you ever have to get these out down the road, I can tell you right now, they ain't gonna be your friend. Not in the slightest bit. And this Power Fist does have the round cap, but it's not really gonna help me out. This one here is definitely gonna be a little bit tougher. Get my sausage fingers in there. Just got to repeat the process on the opposite side. Make sure you use the rubber pad. It'll help prevent corrosion and anti-seize in case you got to take it off later on. Once this one's bolted up, we're going to fit the high lift jack up and see how it's going to look. I can see if I can get the high lift jack on now without smashing my glass. There we go. Wasn't too bad. I anti-seize these two, and I should make sure that both holes are going to line up before I tighten one or the other down. Just gotta get this one started. Oh, I gotta be careful, I don't want to cross thread it. There we go. Don't want to cross thread it. I want to see what the hood is like now. That's not too bad. How far can you fold it back like this? Oh, I gotta watch my... Oh yeah. Can't go too far. There you have it. That was a pretty simple 10-minute install. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.